What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to give you 5 free marketing strategies that is going to allow you to move the needle inside of your woodworking or your handmade business. Let's dive in. All right, well, welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited in this video to give you 5 free marketing strategies that you can implement today to start getting some sales in your business, and it's not gonna really cost you hardly anything to do this except a little bit of your time. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you go check out the Handmade Business Secrets podcast, where you can listen to this in your ears while you're in the shop, while you're driving up and down the road, and you can start increasing your business knowledge, maybe getting inspired along the way, and moving the needle of your life and of your business. And so, number 1, the very first free marketing method that I want to encourage you with is Etsy. You don't pay Etsy really anything except like a 30-cent listing fee to get a product on Etsy to start selling it. There's a ton of exposure on Etsy. You just pay Etsy a fee when you actually sell something. So you're gonna get paid and then they'll make a percentage of the profits. But it's a really easy way to get in front of a massive audience with your products or with your items or whatever it is that you sell and start moving the needle in your business. We did a video not that long ago about talking about risk and how to make wise decisions inside of your business. And one of the best ways to make wise decisions in your business are, what are the things that I can do right now that really don't cost me any money, but that give me a lot of potential upside? And Etsy is one of those things, right? I don't really love Etsy fees. I don't necessarily believe that you should build a business on Etsy. I've got a video on that as well, but I do believe that it should be a part of your strategy in growing your business, okay? So that's number 1 is Etsy. Number 2 is Facebook Marketplace. Okay, Facebook Marketplace is a huge community. It's going to allow you to sell locally within your area. There are people on Facebook Marketplace all day looking for stuff. You can create listings for free, get them thrown up there, and start getting some traction, having people asking about your products and your services through Facebook Marketplace. You're not always going to get the highest quality buyers. They're going to be looking for deals, but it's at least going to give you opportunities to sell. And what most of you guys need is you just need to talk to more people. You need to have more opportunities to sell. You're not having enough conversations or opportunities presented in front of you to sell your items, okay? Number 3, Facebook groups. Okay, now Facebook groups is one of the most underutilized things that I often see inside of our maker community that people don't really use. And so I see a lot of people that they'll join like these entrepreneur, like promote your business groups, and that's just a spam fest, right? That's just people posting all their stuff. No one's actually in there to buy anything. They're just there to promote their own business. Well, if no one's there to buy and everyone's there to promote, then there's no buyers in that community, right? And so one of the best things that you can do is you can find communities, Facebook groups that would be full of your potential buyers. For example, I sell high-end furniture. I sell it in the East Texas and Dallas-Fort Worth areas. I could be joining neighborhood community groups in Dallas-Fort Worth. I could be joining like a certain target demographic type group. Most of my target demographic, let's say, is like women between 25 and 55 that like all these certain things. I could go find like those topics that I know that they like and those things that they care about, and then I could promote my business inside of that group. Now, you got to make sure that if you are going to be promoting a business inside of a Facebook group, you talk to the admins of the group, they're cool with it, or you work out some deal to where they get a cut of any sales you get or whatever that looks like, okay? But you want to be promoting inside of Facebook groups of buyers. Keep that in mind as you start using Facebook groups. It can't be super spammy. It has to be like, hey, I'm excited to have joined this group. You know, my name's Zach. This is my family. It's a picture of your family. This is what we do for a living. If we can serve any of you guys, let us know. It can't be like, hey, buy my stuff. We got 20% off, blah, 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 right? It has to be very relational and work in a way that makes sense. So number 4, the 4th free marketing channel that you can utilize is Craigslist. Now, beware, there are tons of scam artists on Craigslist, and I don't know how exactly it works, but make sure that you don't send or receive any money or do anything like that on Craigslist until you know that it is truly legit, that you've had a phone conversation with the person, or that they have come and they've seen your product in person or whatever. It's easy to create listings on Craigslist. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything, and you can get your products in front of more buyers. I can't tell you exactly what the quality of those buyers are going to look like, but at this point in the game, if you don't have money to spend on marketing and you're trying to get in front of more people, you need to utilize these free ways to market your business. Etsy, Facebook Marketplace, Facebook groups, and now Craigslist. So number 5, our final free marketing method that you should definitely use. This one takes a little bit of time. It takes a little bit of a strategy, but that is utilizing referrals from inside of your business. If you've sold before in your business, you need to get them to refer you to their friends and their family. And you can do that by paying them a percentage or a fixed rate of whatever it is that they sell. Us, for example, we have a referral program inside of Iron by Iron. And with that referral program, if you tell your friends about us, they come in, they mention your name, and they buy from us, we're going to give you like 3 to 5% of whatever it is that they purchase. So if they buy a $5,000 dining table set, we're going to write you a $250 check. That's pretty cool. But we don't have to write that $250 check until until after we've already created that sale. And so it's an easy way to get more volume inside of your business. With that being said, guys, this is a shorter video, but hopefully this was action-packed for you. 5 free marketing methods that will help you move the needle and gain some traction inside of your handmade or woodworking business this year. Listen, if you're just starting out, if you're trying to get some traction and you're trying to learn what to do and how to start getting to that $8,000 to $10,000 per month mark, I want to encourage you to check out the Handmade Hero Academy program. I've got a link to that in the description below. You can get started for as little as $47 a month for 12 months. We have a full money-back guarantee on that program, but it's really the strategies that help me and my business get to $10,000 a month every month consistently, and I really believe in the product. I think it's going to help you do the same. So that being said, guys, I love you so much. If this has helped you, let me know. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.